I am associate professor at the Mathematics Research Center, and it is a pleasure for me to announce that the next MCPR will be co-organized between Cimat and the founders of MCPR and the organizers. So we are very happy to have MCPR at Cimat. From our side, as professor, will be myself, Adrián Pastor, and also Alejandro Rosales. Both we are associate professors. I am in the Cimat Guanajuato. Alejandro Rosales is at Cimat Monterrey. I will talk a little bit about Cimat and the places of Guanajuato that will be attractive. I will try not to take too much, so maybe just a few minutes. Okay, the Mathematics Research Center is a research center from CONACYT since 1980. It has more or less 120 researchers in 4 areas: probability and statistics, computer science, pure mathematics, and applied mathematics. And the Cimat has as mission research, also this connection between industry and academia, and also the dissemination of the mathematics in several levels, from basic education until bachelor education, for example. This is a picture of Cimat in 2020. It had, for example, in that year, 160 publications and 46 projects, research projects, some of them found with other institutions around the world. And also it has, now it has 8 master programs and one PhD program. And in that year it had 330 students at Cimat, and almost 70 students that got a degree. This is some more details about Cimat, for example, between academia and industry, and the kind of projects that we work, such as in Industry 4, artificial intelligence and big data, and also many activities for the dissemination of the mathematics in different levels of education. Cimat has 5 campuses in Mexico. One campus is, the main campus is at Guanajuato, but it also has a campus in Monterrey, Mérida, Zacatecas, and Aguascalientes, and each campus has a master degree program, for example, and also some researchers that are working between the industry and the academy. Well, MCPR is projected to be in Guanajuato. Guanajuato is a World Heritage city in the world. This is a video. It's a very short video about Guanajuato. It's a very colorful city. I know that maybe some of you already know Guanajuato. And yeah, I hope that you can visit Guanajuato. It has many cultural events also. It's a city full of life in different aspects with people. And yeah, just mariachi. These alleys that are streets that are very narrow are classic in Guanajuato. We don't have sound. Actually, the video have sound, but yeah, that's fine, I think. This is La Plaza de la Paz, Callejones de Guanajuato, these alleys that I already mentioned, and many cultural events that, maybe you can see when you visit Guanajuato. Almost finishing. This is that was the well, Cimat is in a hill, and in that hill that it's called the Valenciana. In Guanajuato, there are several silver mines also. If you if you feel healthy enough to go down the stairs in a silver mine, maybe you can explore that kind of places. And in fact, Cimat is almost, I think, 5 minutes walking from a silver mine that it's pretty famous in Guanajuato. Well, also Jose Alfredo Jimenez, Teatro Juárez, the Juárez Theater, for example. And in case that you have maybe one extra day when you go to MCPR, maybe you can visit San Miguel de Allende, that it's 1 hour from Guanajuato city. It's also a beautiful city in the state of Guanajuato. And maybe you can take one extra day to visit this famous city. So this is El Barrio de la Valenciana. This is where Cimat is placed. And well, Cimat, as many of other research centers, has many conferences, workshops, seminars every week. And we have this program in master and PhD program. So it's the usual in Mexico, 2 years for master, maybe 4 years for a PhD. And in the computer science department, we have these 4 major lines of research. That is optimization and parallel computing, robotics and intelligent systems, signal processing and computer vision, and also the 4th line is machine learning, data science and natural language processing. Yeah, and that are my colleagues. Maybe you know some of them. If you go to Guanajuato, maybe you can say hello. So thank you very much.